Permitting, it's about the authorizations that we need to develop our projects, to ensure that we deliver the projects in a sustainable way, that we take into account the environmental and social sensitivities of where the project is going to be delivered.
Welcome to Beyond Energy, an Ocean Winds original series. An in-depth look at how offshore wind projects become reality and why their impact extends far beyond the offshore wind farms. Beyond Energy explores the full journey, the decisions made, the challenges overcome, and the people and places shaping each step. This is Beyond Energy.
We do care not only economic part of the project, not only technical part of the project, but we also do care about the people, about environmental, legal aspects, and that is part of our culture, that is part of our, I would say, philosophy.
Permitting is the process that ensures offshore wind projects are built responsibly. It's not just paperwork, it's about understanding the environment, engaging communities, and meeting rigorous legal, technical, and social requirements.
From the very start of the process of the environmental impact assessment and data collection, submission of those applications and award of those consents or permits can be any time from 4 to 5 years, best case scenarios to 7, 8 years and beyond.
You need to balance between making things and preparing things on time, but you need to prepare that in a proper way. It's not only a piece of paper that you can build something, you also need to be involved in the communication with the authorities, communication with the stakeholders.
One of the key differences is in some geographies, we're only responsible for the permitting of our offshore wind farm. And in others, we're also responsible for the transmission infrastructure. So how that infrastructure that enables us to deliver the energy from our wind farms to the onshore substation and then to the national grid. And that obviously adds extra complexity.
Every permit we secure opens the door to more than just turbines at sea. It's what allows us to create lasting impact, training workers, building local supply chains, and supporting the communities that host our projects.
Collaboration in permitting can be in several ways. It can be with the communities, where we go and talk to them, we understand their concerns, we work with them to see how we can deliver what they want, if it is at all possible. We have fantastic examples of collaboration with academia for research projects. It can be collaboration between developers with innovators. Being together with other developers, we can do so much more.
You need to prepare a specific message for a specific group of people, because you need to speak with the fishermen in a slightly different way than you speak with the authorities. So we try to be not only in good relations, but we also try to be involved in that community.
In the early development phases, the main goal is to get permits that enable you to build the project. When we receive the permit, we all get a little bit, obviously, relaxed and almost like an anticlimax, because it's quite a lot of work until you get there. And then the work starts again. We look at the permits, we look at what we need to do in order to meet the conditions on those permits. And then construction starts, and the process continues to ensure that those conditions are met throughout operation and then into the commissioning. I'm passionate about delivering these projects, having them out there producing renewable energy, and I think it's fantastic that it all comes together because you listen to each other. We need to ensure we deliver the energy that we all need, but we need to deliver it the right way.